Alright guys, we are here in Tbilisi. We're about to start the day. First stop is, of course, the iconic Bridge of Peace. We're going to ride the teleferic.
After spending time at the top of Tbilisi and enjoying the beautiful scenery, I got the chance to meet one of my old friends who I have not seen for over 4 years.
After 3 years of not meeting this colleague of mine, finally, he moved to Georgia and got married here, and now I'm visiting him for the first time. He's about to show me what is up. And of course we got the family with us, so don't expect anything naughty, guys. In Georgia, and there's this mini party. What happened? This is supposed to be for her daughter. Okay guys, so we came here in Nibani or something. It's like these hot springs. Yeah, and They're a very authentic cultural thing for Georgia. It's very ancient from way back, but they still remain as they were. Okay guys, we're taking you on a walk in this park. اسمه ايه؟
Tatminda.
Mtatsiminda.
Yeah.
Such a cozy place. After exploring Tatsminda Park, we went to see the biggest church in Tbilisi, known as Sameba Cathedral, and it was a beautiful work of architecture. After absorbing the beautiful architecture of the Holy Trinity Church, we went to see the downtown of Tbilisi, as it was Christmas time and lights were all over the place, and it was a beautiful atmosphere. So that was the end of our Tbilisi adventure. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next travel video.